Let's go.
New game. Yes.
Welcome to Raider Publishing, where stories come to life.
Hi, I got an invitation. I'm a writer.
Oh, great.
Oh,
Go
oh,
ahead
yan.
and fill in your information, and then make your way over to the elevators.
Okay. Wait, hold the door!
Odor.
Hodor.
That was close. Hi. Excuse me? Can I ask you something? Have you been published before? Nope. No, me neither. My parents always say I should quit writing and get a real job, but look at me now. So what's your story about? It's science fiction. Oh, sci-fi. Sci-fi's cool. I write fantasy. Look, I don't mean to be rude and all, but I really don't do small talk. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, I am Raider, owner and founder of Raider Publishing. And I believe that everything great that happened in the world first happened in someone's imagination.
Excuse me, miss. This way,
We
please.
proudly
Oh,
offer
sorry.
as participants the opportunity to truly set one's creativity free. Unlike other publishing houses, we're on the verge of releasing a product that will reshape the foundation of the entire industry. Stories have been told and retold pretty much in the same way since
Do we get to
the
wear
dawn of
these?
Yes, the suits will help us pinpoint and track your synchronization.
cutting-edge technology.
Track and synchronize what?
Mr. Raider will fill you in on the details shortly.
Immersive event. Why read or watch a story when you can live it, touch it, feel it? My fellow writers, let me introduce the machine. My life's work, the heart of this company. You will all undergo a unique simulation of your story. And during the experience, we will record and store it all, and then package and publish. Welcome to the next chapter of storytelling. Yes.
Hi. Hey, I'm Zoe. Sounds
Bida-bida.
amazing. I just wanted to thank you for giving me, excuse me, us this opportunity to get published. Lord knows it is rough being an unpublished writer these days, am I right?
Are you saying that we're gonna be plugged into that machine?
Yes, you are.
I was told that we were here for a publishing deal. Get paid and that's it. I didn't sign up for a medical procedure.
Oh, trust me, this is no medical procedure whatsoever. Just try to relax and you'll enjoy the experience.
Right. Sure.
Then, without further ado, activate the suits.
This is so cool.
Please step onto your assigned platforms to begin your journey.
Welcome. Please step on your assigned platform.
It's time to unleash your full creative potential. Go.
Screw this. I won't do it. I won't I can't do this.
Calm down, return to your platform.
I won't do it, okay?
We cannot shut this down now. Do you understand? You have to proceed.
No. No, I said I'm out.
Ma'am, I told you this is perfectly
Get off
safe.
me.
No, no,
Let
no.
go.
You come with
No.
me. Listen, it's
is
time.
this?
You
What
can't
is
shut. No!
Shit.
Okay,
Ba't mo
na-split.
tala-
Na-split yung fiction.
Sci-fi tas fantasy. Ayoko na bang karakter.
Sino sa'yo dyan? Ikaw yung nag-iinarte.
Tangin na ayoko niyan si Zoe.
Sabi mo, ikaw yan eh. Ha?
Ito ako, ito
Eh.
ako.
Kaya nga, ikaw nga.
Okay, okay, okay. Ayoko na maingay yan. Hype na yan eh. Naghalo yung story. Inarte kasi. Oh. That's why it's split
Hmm.
fiction.
Bigla may sasali sa mundo niya.
You! What are you doing here?
Huwag ka nang inarte. Asub-sub nga eh.
Wait, what?
What are you doing in my story?
Something bad is going on here.
Yeah, like you're ruining my chance to get published.
No, listen to me. What was that?
Watch where you point those things.
There is something this publisher is not telling us.
Well, all I can see is that they have given me exactly what I signed up for.
You don't understand. We need to get out of here.
Not we, you. I need to get published. Just please leave my story.
Trust me, that is exactly what I want to do, okay? What is that?
Yeah, and take that glitch thingy thing, whatever it is, with you.
That came with me.
Yes, and neither you or that belong to me.
Wow!
Lipat sa kabila.
Okay, dito tayo.
Where are we?
I think this is my story.
What the hell is going on?
Sobrang cool ng story ko.
Yeah,
Chaotic.
this is definitely my story.
What kind of a crazy story have you written?
Listen, I don't want to be here either, okay? I just want to get out.
And how do we do that?
I don't know. But something tells me we need to find that glitch.
Are you sure?
No!
Okay.
Okay. Ito na. Eh, nakakahilo. Ano yung mga controls? I don't know.
Jump.
Same pa rin.
Yung shift.
Dash.
So you have no clue where that glitch might be?
All I know is that we're in my story.
Uy, may double jump.
Had to fall into my simulation, didn't you?
Paano?
Let's just focus on getting out.
Face mo lang ulit. Ito, jump, tas jump. Ay, mahulog ka!
What
Uy.
the hell? Oh my god. Ah! Ito na naman! Ito na. Ready, get it, go! Ay! Bitin! Oh, go! Ah! Okay na, first round pa lang!
Ayan, go, 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 go!
Go, talo na! Ba't kasi namibitin? Ba't namibitin?
Sa dulo ka tumalon. Ayan, go, 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 go. Okay. Easy, easy game. First try.
Oh, muntik na! Holy freak!
Wag kang tumalon agad, okay lang. Ayan, oh. Ayan.
Dali naman pala.
Ah.
Dash! Dash! Uga! Tumatagas pala doon. Wait. Mabilisan. Uy!
Okay.
Ah! Ano ba nagawa?
VV, may sprint pala kasi.
Let's check out that console.
Okay.
V.
We're freedom fighters, reclaiming our home.
Ay lang, para tumakbo.
No, not this story. In the real world, what happened?
I wanted to leave, but they wouldn't let me.
Are you sure this isn't just some sort of misunderstanding?
Look, I was fighting them when I fell into your simulation.
Wait, there was a fight.
Pwede.
We've got company.
Masirap ako sa controller.
Oh crap!
Uy!
Wait na, Ah!
Boom!
Look out! Look out! Look out!
Uy, gago! Namutoy ako, nasa gasaan.
Keep it together, Zoe.
Saan?
Just keep it together.
Ito. Jump, jump, air dash. Jump, jump, air dash. Okay?
Jump, air dash.
Lagyan mo ng delay ng konti. Jump, air dash. Okay. Bloody hell. Jump, air dash.
Jump, air dash. Uy, huwag ka sasama, girl.
Jump, air dash. Okay?
Uy, ano yun? Jump, air dash. Perfect. Nahihila na ako. Oh, saan?
Dito.
Wait. Jump. Easy. At dali, ano? Where do we go?
Sana?
Where do we go? Oh, dapat sila.
Kasya ba ako dyan?
Diba dyan? Ah!
Look down.
Ay, hindi. Diretso mo lang. Talon lang. Tang ina, automatic pala.
Daya, dapat hindi.
Jump.
Jump.
Isang jump.
Wag kasi ang X. Okay. Uy, galing ko. Ganda.
Paikot lang.
Di ka
Gusto yung kumakapit pa. Uy, may F din dito.
Oh.
Hindi mo pinindot.
Wait lang ah. Double jump, sabay F.
Searching for the glitch, right?
What else do you think we're doing?
Getting lost? Going insane? Both? You tell me.
No. It has to be around here somewhere. It has to.
Hinahanap natin yung page.
I mo nga yung nandyan sa side mo. Naiiba yan eh. Teka, hold ko daw to.
It's slowing down!
Punta ka dito. May kailangan kaya tang i doon. Doon. Ayun. Ayan. F ka, okay? Boom!
Yun, yung may pagitan. Sige. Tama.
Yeah.
Paano na ako?
Paano ka na? Uy, putay!
Okay na, tara.
Uy, mga shoot.
may ganun din? Ah, hindi. Akala ko yung slide.
Okay,
Bo.
Okay, let's go.
pwede pala chino.
How does this work? Do you know what will happen next in the story?
Sort of.
Come again?
Writing it and experiencing it is a totally different ballgame.
Let's hope there's a plan to safely separate us and return me back to my story.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Just because you blew your shot to get published doesn't mean that I have to blow mine.
Ay!
No, I think they're up to something fishy. I just don't know what.
Ay!
Hindi kapit.
Tingnan mo ako!
Woo! Oh, speedrun.
There's a ship here. Yeah, we can hijack it.
This feels rigged.
Ano ba to?
Kailangan ata magtagpo. Ayun.
Ay, hindi. Ayun oh.
Okay. Isa na lang. Okay na.
Ay, ganun. Dapat.
And we have
Okay.
takeoff.
Okay.
Holy.
This is mental.
Mental talaga.
Ang gulo ng storya. Oy, ilak!
Kaya pala ayaw niya! Uy!
Malalaglag pala talaga dapat. Yata.
Aim for the water.
Oo.
Aim for the water daw. Left control.
Control. Teka, saan ka na ba?
Dito sa
Ah, nasa ilalim ka na pala. Saan ba? Dito yata eh. Ah, yan tama.
Nasa ka ba? Ayun.
Still no sign of the glitch.
Gag, patay tayo dito. Galing tayo tubig eh.
Korean tea?
Ah! Bilisan! Ah! Patay pa pata!
Kalma lang pala.
Cool as a camel. That's not an actual saying.
Sobrang cool ng story ko. Sa'yo ka baklaan.
Can you handle a gun turret?
Is that
Wala
the
pa nga eh.
question you ask people?
Or any weapons for that
Oh,
matter?
ikaw mauna. Story mo to eh.
I had a slingshot when I was a kid.
All right.
Ah. That's red. Okay, may bago.
There's our ship. Get it. What? It's our only way out of here.
Anong gagawin?
Paano natin? Ay, God! Nalaglag agad ah.
Uy, nalaglag din ako. Uy, hindi ako makatawid.
Ay, God! Nalaglag ako. Ay! Stupid, oh my God! Paano natin
Ah, may F pala.
Ha?
Galing mo naman.
Siyempre, story ko to eh. Ako na. Ako na to.
Oh, ikaw magdadrive.
Uy, paano? Wala naman ako
Wala pa. Ayan.
No! Mom! Kami driver!
Why are we flying towards the storm? We don't have a choice. I wrote it this way. Oh,
Sige!
Ay! Ay! Ang laki! Ang laki! Ang laki! Nice shot! Leave that guy's in
Ay,
coming!
umangat.
I think I got one!
Oh my god! Shit, ano lang. Parang drive lang.
I hit it! Shoot them down!
Bago, mababagsak
No!
tayo.
Ay!
Ayun oh. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam yung controls eh.
Nice shot! Keep it up!
Hindi, pag pinindot mo siya, tuloy-tuloy lang siya dun.
I got one!
Ayaw mga to.
Hindi, pindutin mo yung up, tas iwan mo lang.
Bago na kayo. Ayun oh, ayaw. Or ito. Baka ito.
Okay na?
Nice shot! Keep it up!
Ayun oh, kumapatahan.
I think I got one!
Hold mo nga yung up.
Nangyayari.
I hit it! I hit it!
Or pindutin mo down.
Ito, wala.
Nice shot! Keep it up!
Oh, baliktad.
Oo.
I think I got one! I hit it! I hit it!
Alam ko tayo. Uy, kala ko babanggakan sa'yo, Betty. Meron pa pala, may square. Okay, ang hirap mag-drive.
Feelings. Baril-baril lang.
Shot! Keep it up! I got one!
What?
Pag seryoso, nakamatay ka agad.
Lang, tumingay. Seryoso na.
Nice shot! Keep it up! I hit it! I hit it!
Ang ingay kasi! I hit it! I hit it!
Ah, wow.
Marinig mo naman.
Nice shot! Keep it up! I got one! I think I got one!
Sabi ko sa'yo, pag seryosohan na eh. Buti di ka nilipad.
I did not sign up for this.
Ayun. Okay. Okay, dito. Doon naman tayo sa amin.
No!
Ah.
Ayoko dito!
What the?
Okay, peace on earth.
Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah, but it's not the same one as earlier.
May gera din dito.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
Nagko-combine na
You
ata.
logged this, didn't you?
I can't keep track of all my ideas.
All your ideas? We only submitted one.
What do we
Your desert storm was a masterpiece!
Ay! Oh my God! Uy! Ako namatay! What the hell?
Siyempre, story ko to eh. Ano ba yan?
Incoming! You savages! Brace yourself!
Oh my God! Okay.
Uy, paano yung control ko?
Boom! Patay!
Uy, ano yun? Kailangan din ilagan yan? Ay, gago!
Kaya, hindi ka naman swimmer.
Paano ba mabuhay?
Yan oo.
Eh, ang tama ko naman!
Okay.
This is crazy. You're crazy. Well, I didn't submit this story for a reason, but it exists because of you.
Wala pang mga
You
meaning
wrote it. Don't forget
Ewan.
who created this mess when you crashed into my simulation.
Uy, gago! Naipit ako!
Wala ba dito? Saan ka na?
Nandito, sa taas!
You've got to have faith when you leave.
Yan, akit ka dyan.
Ito?
Hindi, doon sa gitna. Ayan. Op. Ah!
Kala ko akit lang eh. Okay.
Go, diretso.
Diver. Mac diver.
Now what?
I don't know. Walang minigame.
Hanapin mo. Baka meron dito. Hindi, ito na yung tamang daan yata. Wala. Tara.
Keep quiet. Trolls up ahead.
Shh.
When life
Di mo-
gives you lemons.
Sige, lemons. True. Ah, tas doon tayo sa kabila, doon tayo sa kabila. Ah, okay. Sige. Batiin mo lang ah. Wait.
Ready ka na?
Sige, go.
Okay, ganda.
Okay. Wait. Ikaw naman tatawid. Oh, hindi. Dito pa rin, sa kabilang side.
Dito pa
Ayan,
ako?
isa pa ah. Oh!
Natuwa ko, putang ina mo. Chill ka lang naman.
Babatayin ko muna, tapos tatawid ka. Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay, let's move.
Dami na.
Utang ina mo, dami!
Wala ba tayong weapon? Ang pangit na naman sa mulat ng story. Yun!
Saan tayo? Wala, doon talaga, sa marami. Ay, hindi, tatalon tayo dito. Uy, gogo! Namatay! Ay, naputol yun. Dito sa kabilang side. Okay, dito na. Boom! Ah, bawal tumambay na matagal.
Ah! Oh my god, ang galing ko! Saan ako papunta?
Ayan, dyan sa gitna.
Oh, saan na lang? Dash, dash, dash.
What is wrong with these guys? Well, plundering gets them excited. Look! The glitch! But how are we
Look.
supposed to reach it?
Oh, yun na!
Okay, takbuhan.
Takbuhan na naman!
Uy,
Oh, patay! Bawal na yun.
uy,
Okay, namatay tayong dalawa.
ang hirap.
Bawal lumpas. Oh my god! Oh my god! Faster! Faster! Ah! Oh no!
Dahil pumunta dun.
Okay, ang hirap!
Inuuna yung panic.
Uy!
Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Now!
Ay, gago nga! Mali! Aray! Oh my god! No, patay na naman ako. Ah! Faster! Okay! Okay.
Holy shit! That was a close call. Oh no. Are we in another one of your stories?
No. This is something else.
Then what is this place?
Whatever it is, I think the glitch has something to do with it.
Yeah, it's acting weird. Whoa! What is going on?
I don't know.
Pangit ang pangalan
Can
ko.
you hear that? It must be coming from...
Oh, dinig nila.
What is this glitch?
Sir, the machine was never designed for two people at the same time.
It seems like their combined presence overloaded the entire system, causing it to glitch.
This is not supposed to happen. Can't we stop them?
We don't know yet, but we need to find a solution before the machine takes damage.
Damn it. What's the status of the other participants?
All stable. The machine is fully operational and is successfully extracting all of their ideas.
Except these two. Okay, let's fix this. I don't want to hear problems, I want solutions. Go!
How?
Extracting all of their ideas.
I was doing perfectly fine until you came along.
But they're trying to steal all of our ideas, not just the ones that we submitted.
Oh no. Oh, what about my publishing deal?
Don't you get it? There is no publishing deal. We need to get out of here.
But how? How do we get out? Is that even possible?
Not sure. But they seem to get real worried about those glitches. I mean, look what it did. If we find more of them, I believe it might crash the whole system and we can break free.
Whoa, whoa, hang on. So you want to go through more of your crazy stories?
My crazy stories? Do you think I'm excited about meeting your stupid giants again?
Actually, they were not giants. They were trolls.
Whatever. It's either glitch hunting or we let them steal everything.
You're right.
Sunod ka rin
Aren't all
naman
your
eh.
stories sci-fi?
Yeah. So?
I figured. You know, I really don't understand how one can enjoy sci-fi. It's just so... depressing.
Like I'm a fan of fantasy. It is by far the most overrated and pretentious genre.
Great. I'm Zoe, by the way.
Mio.
Okay,
Uy,
Mio.
ba't may espada ka?
Where are we?
May
They really are
katana.
stealing our ideas.
So this isn't the story you submitted?
No. I wrote this a couple years ago.
Okay. What's it about?
Revenge.
Revenge? Well, that sounds dangerous. What is this?
Careful!
Uy!
Oh,
Weird!
It's a gravity whip.
what are
Gravity
you doing
whip
up there?
Sinutos?
What kind of a revenge story is this?
It's very simple and straightforward. We are cyber ninjas hunting down the boss of the SRI crime syndicate.
In what world is any of that simple?
Let's just go through the story and find the glitch, okay?
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Okay, may weapon na. Paano ko gagamitin yan?
Hmm.
What do I do?
Halika, halika rito.
No, long range! Uy, milihan nga lang, milihan lang, milihan lang.
Milyon lang. Oops! Oops!
Di ba naubusan naman na yan? Bang! Aray! Dash! Ang daya!
Uy! Oops! Namamatay pala.
Aray, yung na! Nakaisa ka na ha! Iwa siya eh. Yan.
Uy, paano ako?
Saka na.
Wala.
Wait lang, yung gravity shade. Uy, ikaw daw yan.
Nasaan? Ikaw eh.
Saka na.
Hindi nga ako pwede. Ikaw lang.
Gagawin ko dito. Boom, patay. What do I do?
Wala akong...
Ah,
ayun. Ano yun?
ano nangyari tapos na ginawa ko?
Ah, wait. Pwede ako mag-F?
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan, ikaw pala eh. Ikaw pala to eh. Tikat pa. Uy! Dat pala tatalaw.
Hindi ka tumalon?
Okay. Aray! Nami!
Tatanggalin ko kasi.
Pati ako inihiwa eh. Aray!
Nakaharang ka eh.
Care to elaborate on this story? Take the boss.
Uy, go! Pinatay ko sarili ko.
When you say take her down,
Uy, anong nangyari? Yung
what
lasos.
are you suggesting?
Cold-blooded assassination.
Oh dear.
Paano?
Baka hihilain mo tapos lalakad mo. Oh, pwede pala yun. Hihiwain mo. Uy, may rumba!
Naglilinis. Patay mo yan.
Ayaw! Full daw. Ikaw daw, full ata.
Boom. Ayaw masira. Ayan na. Bukas na.
Saan?
Ikaw na yan. Ito. Yan. Pwede ba apakan?
Bam! Basag! Basagin yan!
Paano na?
Basagin yan!
Now what?
Yan ata yung nasa gitna niyan. Wow! Itatrap mo dyan sa gitna. Parang tigil.
Ewan ko. Or doon. Hindi eh. Anong sisirain ko? Makakatalon ka ba doon?
Aray!
Hindi, hindi. Ito mga bilog-bilog. Kaya mo talunan?
Pwede ako.
Pwede ka naman. Tapos?
Ulam.
Ayun.
Okay, sinira ko.
Sinira ko.
Ha? Ako nagsira ito.
The fall of society.
Binato ko eh.
But pretty vague. The city's being bled dry by the cleansing.
Huwag ka na magreklamo. Magre-reklamo ka pa eh.
We're here to assassinate things straight. That's the gist.
Gravity shake. Putang ina kasi nito eh. Pag kinatana ko ulo mo. Daya pa ta!
Basagin mo na.
Bam! Bam!
Now what?
Basa ako.
Ayan, basagin mo para bumagsak. Uy, gago ka! Hello? Okay, next. Ano ba yan?
Bam! Ano ba gagawin?
Yung dito, yung malapit muna.
Kala ko
Yan.
matapos lang lahat. Ito dito.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go! Gitna.
Go.
Go. Okay, ito natin sa gilid.
Go.
Ayan.
Easy!
Easy.
Oh, paano ko ngayon aangat?
This gravity shift situation won't spiral out of control, will it?
Yeah.
Pangas nga eh. Di mo kasi
Get bad motion sickness.
You'll be alright.
Okay, baba. Mapababa ka pa ha?
Aray! Kumako po.
Nasira mo. O, yung kabila naman.
Okay. May tricks pa eh.
Oo.
Aray! Kailangan na.
Okay.
Ito.
This might get a little
Okay.
trickier than I anticipated.
Paano to?
So much for very simple and
F?
straightforward. Yeah. But damn, what of you?
May kalaban ba yun?
Marilib
Uy,
lahat yan.
paano na to? Paano na to?
Ay! Shit, paano?
Uy, gago, nalaglag ako!
Ay, balik.
Umiilag eh! Gago po.
Shoot. Patay ako. Uy, pwede dito.
No!
So, how do you think this simulation works? What do you mean? Well, considering that Raider wants to extract all of
nandyan?
them,
Ay!
does this mean we'll go through all of them?
So, dyan talaga?
Not sure.
Oh.
But as long as the glitch keeps messing with the machine, I'm ready for whatever.
Agreed.
Uy, hindi abot!
Oh my god! Saan ako dadaan?
Ayan, double jump yan ah. F.
Ah!
Double jump ulit yan ah.
Wait lang, bumibelo pa eh. Double jump, double jump. F! Ah! 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 Ako yan, ako yan. Dito ka. Ayun.
Ah, teka, ayun.
Nilalagyan ko ng kurente. Wait. Paano ko tatawid?
Tapos, paano?
Ako may gagawin. Ay, shit. Aray! Putang ina mo!
Ah, may gravity, ano ba yan?
Ay! Di abot!
Tama, dun. Yung gravity, double jump? Hindi, talong ka muna.
Walang kapit.
Ay, hindi abot. Ah, teka, ito. Ay, hindi.
Baka kaya nang gawin. Ah!
Hindi eh.
Layo. Feeling ko na
Doon nga talaga yata yun.
ano nangyayari.
Ay, hindi. Angat ka. Angat ka dun. Babatuhin ko niyan. Nito. Doon ka. Ayan, dyan ka.
Oh.
Apa ka dun.
Saan?
Ayan, apa ka dyan. Yan.
Ito?
Oo. Teka. Mali. Ba't ganun? Hindi ba?
Yun!
Ayun naman pala eh.
Sabi na eh. Hindi lang ako ginagawa eh.
Now what? Diretso ka lang yata. Wait. Ah, ito. Ako na yata. Wait.
Gusto ka ba?
Ito. Abot mo to? Ayan. May AF ka. Ayun.
Ah! Bitin!
Hindi, antay mo yung usog ko.
Ah, yung... Okay.
Oo. Ayan, go. Wait. Wait lang. Ayan, go. Uy, gago!
Just borrow this! Ako na to.
Usog ka dito.
Oo nga!
Okay, now what? Lapit mo pa. Okay, bahala ka na.
Okay, ikaw naman ata ulit.
Anong gagawin? Ayun.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Saan ba? Try mo kayo lang yan kung may... Ay,
Ayun na, binato ko na. Oh, wait. Ito, may gagawin yata dito eh. Kaso kulay mo to eh.
okay, paano na ako makakapunta dyan? Punta to! Punta to! Baka kailangan ko lang mag-drive.
Okay. Mali yata itong pinasok ko.
Ayun. Tama.
Sige.
Tapos, nandiyan ka sa loob niya.
Oh, eh, hindi mo makawala eh. Pasok ka dito.
Ah! Sobra pa! Oh my God! Holy! Lupit naman! Pwede ba akong kumapit na dyan?
Ayan, go. Talon dun. Ah, isa pa.
Ah! Uy, bawal!
Bawal daw, kailangan tuloy-tuloy.
Wait, ano naman?
Puta, may EF-an dun eh. Ikaw pala?
Gravity shape. Saan?
Nakakahilo. Dun, yan, dyan. Ayan, ayun pala eh.
Pala eh, ako pala eh.
A little help here?
Ah, okay.
Uy, ah! Oh, oh, wow, 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 wow.
Oh, wait.
Ganyan pala yung POV ko dyan. Bang! Nagawa
You're
ako.
good to go!
Okay, buka na daw. Bakit pa ako dyan? Nalulula na ako eh. Ah.
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Let me guess. You're from the city.
Yeah, born and raised.
Why would anyone want to live in the city? It's so loud.
Lah, probinsya.
Probinsyana. Kaya pala yung mga
Oh, and the
iniisip
light
eh.
pollution? It dims all the stars at night.
Saan?
Stars are overrated.
Ayun na. Halika na rito. Ay, lilipat yata dapat tayo doon sa taas. Pag lumapit ulit. Eh, hindi.
Ano kaya dito?
Ah, ayun naman
Ayun
pala.
na! Abot naman pala kaso sumobra ako. Ay, sumobra.
Come on! It won't budge.
Pulis ng kalawakan.
Stop. Hands above your heads.
What now? Just follow my lead. We're gonna fight our way through this.
I've never been in a fight before.
What were you expecting? We're cyber ninjas.
Suspect is in debt with the SRI. Lethal force is authorized.
Lethal force.
Yes. Ah, wala to. Kaya
Take
na.
him out.
Ito na yun. Aray!
Coming reinforcement.
Hindi ako namili! Don't never namili! Makapot na kabila.
Oh, tara.
Shit! Aray!
Aray, may naiwan pa dun. Ako yun ang mimili ah. Aray, namatay ako.
Watch out.
Hindi naman binabawasan to. Ikaw yata dapat dito. Ayun.
Oh, naku!
Ay! Asan siya?
Wala, may mga bumabagsak!
Ayan, sige pa, sige pa. Sige pa.
Hindi ka lang, may
Tangino mo.
Oh, ano? SRIS.
Nanunulak?
Gusto mo mamatay ka dun?
Ow! Was that really necessary?
Oh, stop complaining. Come on, let's progress the story.
Mio? What is that?
It's not a part of my story, that's for sure.
Doesn't look like a glitch.
No. More like a portal or something.
Ooh, I wonder where it goes.
We should avoid the risk of getting even more lost in here.
But couldn't it be worth exploring? Who knows, we might find some answers.
Or it might be a trap.
Or something useful.
Okay. Pas tayo dyan.
Baka ito yung parang minigame.
Fascinating.
No, yung so.
And now we're stuck.
They weren't kidding when they said extracting all of their ideas.
So we're back in one of your stories again?
Yes and no. This is more like an unfinished idea I once explored.
Idea.
So, what kind of idea is this?
Well, this might be better to show and not tell.
Dami mo namang ano.
I'm already
anda.
regretting this.
Cyber Ninja, tas ito yung ambag mo sa akin.
So, Raider isn't just stealing all of our stories, but
Nan-chan?
our unfinished ideas as well.
Yeah, this is bad.
Misa. Makikita ba natin si Misa dito?
Glad those sharks are dead. They don't look friendly.
Yeah, those are dead.
Mukhang hindi ito sa gusto. May spring nga.
Now, let's traverse the sands of time.
Literally.
Literally!
Gago!
Whoa! These ones are alive and hungry. We're safe on the rocks.
Ay! Ew, nagulat ako!
Oh, it's gonna get you!
Puta.
Chill ka lang.
I've got its attention. I'm all out of stumps.
Tatakbo ka.
Papunta doon
August.
sa kabila.
Habang iniiko. Go, 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 go.
Shark, shark!
Ang bagal eh.
No!
Kailangan tuloy-tuloy nga. Okay, okay. Sige. Gets. Game?
Go.
Can't dump anymore! Get out of the sun!
Oh!
Bitch. Game.
Wala, tas ako naman?
Yeah!
Ang ina.
Ano ba
Yung
yun?
ano, itutok mo dun sa ano, Yung solid color, dun mo pipindutin yung E. Ayan. Gets mo na? Ayan. Lumalagpat! Ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay.
Oh, ba't di ka malakad?
Eh, syempre, tinitesting mo pa ba eh, kung patayin mo ako. Di ba ako pupunta o doon sa kabila?
Ang tagal! Sabi ko sa'yo, dapat dun sa kabila ata.
Ah, sige.
Okay, ready?
Go.
No more juice! Better hurry!
Go, go. Okay.
Okay. Ang layo niyan. Ready?
Go.
It's up to you! Seriously?
Next. Bam. Wala na. Saan mo? Ay!
Oh, ikaw kaya mo na yan.
Hindi.
Kaya. Ay, doyo.
Toyo. Nakakatungtong ba dyan?
Ah.
Just passing through, fishies.
Kinain.
I must say, seeing this idea come to life is pretty unexpected. Yeah, if Raider's coming for everything we created, we'd better prepare for surprises. Indeed.
Wah!
Mia, look out! Seriously?
Ito ako sa
Boom.
ito eh.
I forgot about the shark pool! So what's going on in here? Why are we in an hourglass? Well, you know, it's like they say, time heals all wounds. And what about the sharks then? I haven't figured that out yet, but they are exciting.
Ano to? Puro F? Ay, kagat! Sumobra ako!
Walang minigame. Uy, bawal ma-shoot. Okay, ma-shoot ako.
Papansin.
So, got a plan to get us across?
Yeah. Jump!
What the hell?
Ang ina mo!
Uy! Okay.
Ay, gago! Ikaw kontrolin pala to!
Maybe awesome! I don't know!
Yup! Ay, kailangan mag-F!
Ah, okay. Ah, cool.
Yeah! Good job!
Ay! Nauntog!
Oy! Shh! Okay, mahirap yun ah. Kailangan talaga yun. Hindi naman ako
Mm.
Uy, naging constellation ako?
Hindi, pwede kaya tama boy.
Uy, what the hell?
Good jockey!
Ay, hindi ko kita yung dadaanan eh.
Walang araw. Sa!
Uy, gago ka!
Bago! Ano yun?
F! Ang layo!
Uy.
Ano yun? Wala lang?
Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah,
Oh, ayoko na nito. Change costume. Nice
and in the
one.
exact same spot that we left from.
Whoa. Where did it go?
I don't know. It looks like it got removed from the simulation.
Removed? Does that mean we saved my idea from being stolen?
I guess so.
Yes. Then let's keep an eye out for more of these side stories.
Yeah, but our focus should be on hunting down those glitches and escaping.
You're right. Back to being a violent cyber ninja, I suppose.
Uy, ang corny-corny. Sumasakay sa sun shark.
Well, I for one will stay vigilant for these side story portal thingies.
Okay, then I'll
Patay!
track the crime boss.
But there could be some real hidden gems in there.
My old and unfinished ideas got shelved for a reason.
Aren't they worth checking out if we can save them from Raider, though?
Fine. Maybe.
Shinkansen. What?
Oh, asan ka na?
Zoe, catch!
Ah, ito nga. Salamin na lang.
Sige.
Go, go. Tapos.
Saan ba to? Wala eh. Isa pa.
Yan na.
Saan ba to? Ah, dito? Paano ko babasagin to? Ikaw yata eh. Balik ka rito? Makakabalik ka ba?
Saan? Saan?
Hindi, balik ka dito.
Paano ko babalik?
Ah, hindi. Try mo yung bato nga dito. Ay, hindi pwede talaga. Balik ka dito. Ay, di dun sa ano ulit. Yung gravity.
O yan, tapos.
Ay, ewan ko. Hindi na ako makalabas eh. Ay, try mo magbato bato dito. Ay. Ah.
Saan na ba? Saan na ba?
Ayan.
Basta.
Ah, isa pa. Uy, isa pa. Nasushoot talaga. Ikaw nga, try mo yung ano dun. Puta, pinatay ako eh.
That was uncalled.
Na-shoot? Oo nga, no.
Lang, pati na. Yun, meron. Sabit sa
Isa pa. Ayun, dun. Hindi ba kaya dun? Ikaw lang yan eh. Ito may minigame mo.
Paano kung makalabas dito?
Di ba kaya umangat? Ayun naman pala eh.
Sa minigame.
Up in the real world,
Puta.
practice any martial
Ayun.
arts? I used to. Huh. What holds you back? You seem healthy.
Not enough time or money lately.
Sounds like me. Always late, always broke.
What trick? 9, 7, hindi ka duwa ng 8. Hindi marunong? Hindi ka kasi naglaro.
Look, what a sweet plushie.
Ito, minigame, saluhin mo.
I didn't expect cyber ninjas to commute.
Sinalubong mo yung tren. Dito nga tayo. Ayan, go, 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 go. Mali yata yan. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Dito sa kabila. Uy, may doon sa baba.
Yes.
Tangina.
Okay, this spot is the hideout of our crime boss.
Not surprised you're a club cat, Mio.
Play me techno, and I'm in heaven.
Whatever happened to real artists? Real instruments? You know, real music?
Things evolve, Granny.
Ano? Bababa?
Ayun, ayun, may tanong.
Ang layo! Yay! Double jump, dash. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Sa wall.
Ah, sa wall ah.
Sa wall, sa wall.
Ay. Paano kumapit?
Double jump. Ano, basta dumikit ka dun, kakapit siya. Jump, jump.
Hindi. Ah! Excited kasi!
Ay, hindi ito no. Doyo. Lagyan mo ng delay yung double jump mo.
Guard! Ba't kasi doon? Ah! Di dyan! Sa kabila! Ah! Ayaw! Ah! Tumawid ka na kasi! Para dyan na ako!
Ganun ba yun? Oh, tapos nakawag.
Wait, were we not supposed to go into the club? Through the front door? We're cyber ninjas, remember?
Yeah, right. Because we've been all about stealth up until now.
Ano to? Ah, wawasakin mo to. Tira ang aircon.
Let's go! Party! Party!
Uy, gago! May F pala! Party!
Nagkakapitan pala!
Uy, ba't bumalik ka? Ayan. Ah. Akyat. Ito, ayan, yan. Ayan, go. Tawid ka dun. Ayan, dyan. Oo. Paano ko? Ito. Okay na.
Wow!
Electrifying!
Hindi mo lang tayo dumaan sa mga party.
Nakakamatay eh.
Let's go guys! Party! Pamatay na tayo friend.
Sige. Hindi abot. Bawal.
So, who is this crime boss lady exactly?
All you need to know is that we gotta take her out in order to liberate the city.
Yeah, I got that part, but what's she like?
She's a ruthless psychopath who kills for fun.
Sounds like a real gem.
Well.
Wow.
Look what the cat dragged in. Are you finally here to pay your debt?
You're not getting shit.
I decide when your shit is paid. And until the mortgage is secured, your ass belongs to me.
What is she talking about, Mio?
No, don't mind her. I just wrote her as a flat, greedy villain.
The dialogue sounds oddly specific, though.
Say hello to Mr. Hammer.
Hello, Mr. Hammer.
Ang gago. Nag-hello nga.
Oh, dear.
Bring it on!
Take him out.
It's armor time! Let's hammer out the details.
Chloe, look out, Chloe!
Wala pa yata eh. Kailangan talunan yun.
Worthless ninjas!
Okay. Kukunin lang natin yung hammer niya. Ay, gago to.
Earn my paycheck!
Gago, dalawa!
Patay tayo?
Ah.
I'll earn my paycheck!
Masakay mo.
You're no match for me! Say hello to my little friends!
Ang ina.
Mechanical house?
Oh, I don't want to hurt dogs! They're mechanical!
Get off me!
Sumasabok. Ay, gago. Kinakain ako.
Okay!
Ah! Ang dami.
It's a doggy dog, okay? Those breeds were expensive. Break your face!
Uy, sakto. Hindi ko kaya bawasan yung hammer.
Aray, namatay ako.
Ah.
Ay, shit. Paano mo napapababa yun? Hinihila mo?
Hindi. Hindi, antayin lang natin na ibaba niya, tapos saka mo lang siya pwede hampasin. Ayan, babato na niya. Ayan, pwede na. Bukasan mo. Ikaw lang pwede. Gago!
Mamamatay!
This guy is mental and about to be dead.
Feel the beat!
Oh, shut up!
Yes!
Ayun na, binato na niya.
Shot! Patay ako!
Atake mo! Ay, namatay ako. Giveaway na ako. Ay, kinuha na niya. Ay, tangina mo, nasagasaan ako. Bababa na niya. Ito na.
Get the hammer, Zoe!
Sige, 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 sige. Uy, oh.
Ah!
Uy, oh, oh.
Arya Stark! Arya Stark!
Boom.
Tapos may katana.
Siyempre, may entry din ako. Oh.
Jump na naman!
Oh, ito na naman. Ay, gago, nalaklak! Namatay na naman ako.
Family-friendly story you created! Kick-ass! Isn't it? No!
Oh, bubilis! Pinaba rin!
There! Get to that shutter! I'm trying!
Ah! Bilis!
Take cover! Go!
I am gonna need counseling after this.
You ain't seen nothing yet. Look! There's another portal or a side story thing up ahead. Ooh! I want to explore it!
Uy, okay lang sa to. Wait, what the hell?
May F naman na. Ayun oh. Layo ka lang konti.
Double jump jet! Okay, pupunta na naman tayo sa pangit na story.
Ba't side story lang ako?
Okay, ano naman to?
Well, this was certainly unexpected.
Barn?
Zoe, what am I? No, am I? Yes. Calm down. We're just pigs.
Just pigs.
Just pigs? Actually, we're super pigs.
Cyber ninja ka kanina, ngayon. Ano to, nasa
I think I'm
kanin
gonna have a
baboy?
panic attack.
Part.
Tabat.
Warm up to your super
Tabachoy.
powers in no time.
Utsa ko!
What? I fart fly? Magical rainbow farts are truly the best farts.
Ang pangit na rin lang ko. Fart flying, bestie.
Uy, ba't ako hindi pwede? Ah, ito dito pwede.
Ang pangit!
Uy, hindi ako kasha. Ah, dito. Okay na.
Ang pangit.
Putang ina! Ang baboy! Literal.
Right.
Ah!
The door wants apples. Let's find them.
Yes, pala.
Ano yun?
Ano yun, F?
Hindi, doon ka umakyat dito. Di mo ba kaya umakyat? Ah, hindi. Lilipad ka pa pala. Dito galing.
Tapos, saan punta?
Tatawid ka dun.
Diyan? Di ko nga
Dito. Tatawid ka. Ah.
Ang bakit kasi?
Ang baboy.
Fireflies. Tapos.
Okay, tawid. Kaya mo yan.
Got an apple?
Ah, tara na. Paano na?
May apple na ako.
Oo nga.
Ito. Kunin mo yung apple. Ayun doon. Nandun sa taas.
Saan?
Ito. Yun, may
Saan?
gitna.
Ano?
Sa taas. Ayan, nandyan. Sa taas niyan. Ewan ko kung paano ka. Kailangan ng apple para mabilis.
Ah, hindi ko nakita yun ah.
Ooh, found an apple.
Yung itsura.
Uy, itong ino mo, may strawberry.
Sinasamba nila yung strawberry. Uy, sinasamba nila. Diyos nila yan. Tingnan mo.
Oo nga eh. Ang gagumpot.
Snack is served.
Delicious apples. Thank you.
Alay.
This side story is wild, Zoe.
Oh, relax, city girl. Have fun. Get muddy.
I'm hungry.
Aray!
That was a bit too juicy. Bad tomato.
Madiri.
Ligo. Walang meron.
Pig spa.
Two. Pa!
Oh, I love muddy puddles.
Gago!
At least it's not cold.
Bukwe.
Ang baboy!
Lilipad. Kailangan mapa. Para makakalit.
Ah, ayun, may apple dun. Ikaw pala yung kailangan umangat dyan.
Hindi nga ako makakalit.
Ah, ako doon.
Di nga ako makakaya.
Apple here.
Another apple!
Tapos, saan? Ah, ayun. Ito. Baba ka na dyan. Oo, baba ka na dyan. Dito nga ba? Hindi ba dito tayo galing? Ayan dyan.
Nakapwesto na.
Pagod ka na?
Chew on these mighty fine apples.
I do love me some apples.
Yak! May naliligo.
This might actually be the first idea for a story I ever wrote down as a kid.
So you're a country gal?
Yep, from head to toe, or I mean, from snout to hoof.
Ito may... Ay, kagi!
Ba't wala na yung power ko? Normal na baboy na lang ako.
Baka wala kang matatalunan dyan kasi hey. Ito nga, mayroon ko. Mas wala naman.
Ayan, tawid ka. Ayan, bubuksan mo.
Saan?
Talon ka. Ayan, tatalunan mo yan. Diyan ka sa taas. Wala, hindi ko abot eh.
Oh.
Eh.
Nabababa ba?
Hindi. Punta ka na dyan sa taas. Paano naman ako? Hindi talaga abot eh. Ah, ayun. Yun, okay na.
Putya, ganun lang pala yung iyo eh. Mas cute yung iyo ah. Bakit part-time?
Yung sa'yo, ikaw eh.
Puti, di tayo swimming! Woo! Dunge!
Gago! Niluluto yung baboy.
Ito, may minigame ata. Sisaw.
Saan? Nasaan ka ba?
Dito, yan, dyan sa kanila. Yan, dyan. Ayun, nakikita kita. Ayun ka, oh.
Ayusin mo naman. Tangina, yun lang yun. Ah, hindi. Palit tayo. Ikaw dun.
Ah, sige. Wow! Ay, bilis! Wow! Hindi naman nata kailangan. Ay, nalaglag! Saan naman tayo pupunta?
Doon yata. Tama nga to eh. Kailangan mo umabot doon sa taas. Yan yata yung daan ko. Ikaw dito talaga. Kasi long range ka eh.
Wow! Di abot. Pangit ka.
Ayan. Doon ka sa dulo. Ayan. Abot. Tapos?
Bakit ka na? Kaya pa pabalot.
Ah, hindi. Ayun yung apple mo. Balik ka rito. Ayun oh.
Okay.
Kadiri.
Yeah!
Oh, ina.
Uy, may strawberry dun oh. Laki
Yeah,
ng
asan yung apple ko?
check. Nakita mo?
Hindi.
Apples.
Kanta next. Yun ang itatawiran.
Apple ba yun yung nasa taas mo? Hindi. Ah, dito yata.
Ah, ito.
Eh, wala pa nga akong apple.
Ayun yung sa taas.
Kaya nga.
Nakita mo na? Diba na?
Hindi.
Ayun o, hindi ba apple to? Ayun o, tingnan mo ito.
Saan?
Ito. Apple ba yun?
Eh, yun nga eh. Paano aakyat dun?
Baka kailangan... Ay, baka pwede mag-walling dun. Sa loob.
Ayun nga eh. Dun nga ako galing eh.
Iyak, may tae bumaba. Ay. Ayun. But how? Ay, yung nga, ito nga yung apple mo, girl. Or, pwede ko ata itong puntahan eh.
No! Namatay ako.
Ayun.
Ayun. Oh. Now what?
Ang bigat.
Umayos ka na. Ayun. Putang ina.
Okay. Saan nga ba iaalin?
Ayun dun.
Shortcut. Pwesto na ulit.
Fancy some apples, good sir?
I did. How did you know I love apples?
Hello, where are the peas?
My house is indestructible!
Looks stable, I guess. Or is it now?
You can't come in!
Where are them apples? We may slide dito. Wait! Tama yun. Lasa na yun.
Ah!
Itong apple.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, doon yata oh.
Ah, baka sasakay ka dyan.
Kaya nga eh. Gago ka! Tumalo na, no?
Aray.
Putang...
Can't believe I'm saying this, but this is kind of cozy. Yeah. This side story came out glorious.
Ah! Baka pwede naman ako lumipat. Ah!
Tapos... Para sa'yo lang yata ito dapat eh.
Ooh, broccoli rules. Nothing's better than homegrown vegetables.
Puputi!
Ah, dito nga.
Ay!
Putang ina. Inutot yung sarili pataas.
I think I could get used to being a pig, actually. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah, go slide.
Yep, here we go. Woo! Woo!
Uy, gago! Naging hotdog!
What the hell, Zoe?
What? Oh God! I know. Let's just end this. Well, no backing down now. Let's grill ourselves.
May mustard.
Sige nga, apaka mo. Ketchupan mo ako.
Mustard! Mustard!
Ketchup. Okay, dito na ako.
I'm quite pale for a hot dog, aren't I?
Uy, wala ako.
I
Wait
am
lang.
totally undercooked.
I'm totally undercooked. Wait lang.
Paano lulu? Ah, ito.
Nilagyan mo naman ako ng mustard.
Dapat lutuin muna eh. O sige, ikaw. Paano ba? Sino muna? Ayan. Talon. Talon ka dito. Hindi dyan. Dito ito yung spatula. Oh. Ay, putang ina mo, mali. Ay. Paano nga ba?
Dito ka.
Ito. Ayun. Bahala ka, lutuin ko na sarili ko.
Kind of nice, but ouch!
Okay na. Beautifully cooked.
Inigo. Para ingat yung pag-cook.
Ayun na, okay na.
Perfection! Build to perfection!
Huli ko na rito. Lagyan ka na ng ano.
Mustard. Ketchup lang ako.
Arte. Lapit pa.
Yan, na.
Uy, paano ako?
Like mustard, but hit me up.
Uy, walang sauce.
Ay, wala ako to.
Okay na, okay chop. Gusto ko pang ketchup.
Now I would
Okay
give
na.
myself the chef kiss. Mwah!
Oh, tapos!
Wala ka mustard eh.
Ayan.
Ooh, I look delish.
I look delish. Naging hot.
Wait,
Uy,
no.
kainin tayo.
No.
Ga.
Okay, cyber ninja.
Are you for real, Zoe? Like I said, I wrote it when I was a kid. What sort of devil child were you? I guess there's no easy way to tell a kid how sausages are made.
That shit was traumatic.
But then imagine how a 7-year-old Zoe took it.
Let's move on. I don't want to talk about it anymore.
I agree.
Okay. Ano?
Apart from
GG
being
mo na?
disturbing. It sure looks like that idea got removed for
2 hours.
So in order
Save.
Save.
Paano?
Ay, auto-save naman yata eh.
Quit game?